Hey folks, John here. This is the garage tour slash tool tour for the garage. Kitchen area, our heat, our desk, peer area, gel press grinder. That's being moved over here to the rest of the machine work. Craftsman cordless tools. Mostly all Craftsman corded tools. A few other brands are fluids, PB Blaster, brake cleaner, whatnot, oils. The wall, hammers, pry bars, stuff like that, pipe wrenches, battery tester. That tool cart there is for this bay here. This bay has a pit. That box there is for tire repair. Parts cleaner. One of two, we just don't have the other one in here. That tool cart is for this bay here. The toolbox. Tap and dies, miscellaneous. Some easy outs, handed torques, or torque drivers, I guess you would call them. Mini screwdrivers. Torques, hex, drivers. Miscellaneous attachments for bits. More Craftsman's radiator hose kit, brake tools, specialty sockets. This is a Snap-on slimline low profile 3/8 Snap-on 1/4 inch, same size, 1/4 inch Snap-on long handle. This is for doing the back brakes. A lot of the newer cars, O2 sensors in the red box. Torque wrenches. Oh, excuse me. Thermogon. This is for doing the CV bands, or the band and the CV axles. For the exhaust tools, spare batteries, wrenches. That's metric. Standard. Pliers. This is oh, I got the hiccups. For big forks and hex. Underneath that is Mac tap and die. This kit here is for CV nuts, flare tools, more tap and dies. The end of the socket, that's for doing brake calipers. Fuel injection pump tester. Check for head gasket kits. Compression tester underneath. Fuel line kit. That kit icon is to do bearing the seals and races. Then I got multiple different bearing puller, different puller sets. These are mainly our picks, our T handles for torques, brushes, Seal puller, serpentine, tape measures, specialty wrenches. These some old wrenches here. Jeff will know what these are. And for adjusting springs, with that. Also for adjusting tie rod ends, bleeder tools. I don't use it no more really. We have the big one there that hooks the air. This is for oil changes. These sockets here are like your Hondas, BMWs, Kias, whatnot. The specialty drawer. Every mechanic has them where we bent wrenches, cut wrenches, whatever we gotta do to make that wrench work. More tires, body pin pullers. HVAC. That kit there is a wrench kit. Goes up to like 38 mil. More pullers. Plasma cutter. MIG welder. This is where I do a lot of the metal work at. Chisels. Punches. Somebody got it jammed. Files in the back. Plasma cutter tips. Well, parts of my welder. Whiz wheel. Band tool. Stuff like that. Whole lot of drill bits. Big bandsaw down there. That's a press. That shelf there is all electrical connectors, O-rings, bushings, whatnot. There, nuts, bolts, collar keys. Then you got that wall there is full of stuff. So my jacks. There's a big jack behind that jack, right there. It's a body jack. That's AC recovery kit machine. 55 gallons of degreaser, and there's another toolbox of miscellaneous stuff back there. But this is my garage. We have some high-end tools. A lot of it we just have is Craftsman's in Pittsburgh. I've been using this Pittsburgh Pro 3/8 long ratchet for a long time, and I love it. I beat the heck out of it. Metric only in this toolbox. Miscellaneous pliers are in here, but our battery chargers, a few broken batteries where I dropped them on the concrete. But yep, that's our garage. Any questions, feel free to ask. You know, some of these tools are probably 30, 40 years old. We have true, this pile here, a lot of these are USA tools that we just leave to the side because I don't have full sets of them. But they're there, we still use them. And if we need an extra tool over here, we just grab it from that pile there instead of going in that box over there. But that's it, folks. Later.